In today's video, I am going to teach you how to send any setup file on Gmail. Gmail blocks executable files like .exe attachments for security reasons. So the most reliable way to share a setup file is to upload it to Google Drive and send a shareable link in your email. This keeps the email safe and makes sure the recipient can still access the file. Start by opening Gmail and going to your inbox. Once you are in, click Compose to open a new message window. You can enter the recipient, add a subject, and write a short note letting them know you are sharing a setup file through Google Drive. This is helpful so they understand why there is a link instead of a direct attachment. Next, switch over to Google Drive. You want the setup file to be stored in your Drive so it can be shared. Locate the file you uploaded in Drive. Once you see it, select it so it is highlighted. With the file selected, click Share. A sharing window will open, and this is where you control who can access the file. Look for the section that says General Access, then choose the option for anyone with the link. This setting allows the person you email to open the file without you having to manually approve them. Make sure the access level is appropriate for what you need, and keep in mind that anyone you forward the link to could also access it, so only share it with trusted people. After you set it to anyone with the link, click Copy Link. This copies the Drive link to your clipboard, so you can paste it into your email. Now return to your Gmail Compose window. Click into the body of the email and paste the link you just copied. It is a good idea to place the link on its own line so it is easy to see and click. You can also add a short sentence like, "Use this link to download the setup file," to make the instructions clear. When everything looks right, click Send. Your recipient will receive the email with the Google Drive link and can download the setup file directly from Drive. And that is all there is to it.